If you are saying that, oops, we could not find matching credentials either on Snapchat, it usually means Snapchat can't verify your login info. This can happen for several reasons like wrong username or password, deleted account, or login glitches. Here is how you can fix it. First, double check your username or email and password. Make sure there are no typos and that caps lock is not accidentally on. If you are sure the info is correct, but it still doesn't work, tap on Forgot your password. On the login screen, choose either via email or via SMS to reset your password. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email or phone. If you recently deleted your Snapchat account, you only have 30 days to recover it before it's gone permanently. If it's within that time, try logging in with your old credentials. Snapchat should let you reactivate the account. Also, try updating the Snapchat app from the Play Store or uninstall and reinstall the app to remove any bugs. If none of these work, go to the Snapchat support page and request help. Choose I can't log in and explain the issue. This should help you recover or regain access to your account.